on Harmon Loop Road across the Dededo Flea Market, approximately 5,400 square meters of land is being returned to the Chamorro Land Trust Commission after it terminated the lease of Agfazen Incorporated for failing to pay over $191,000 worth of back rent payments. CLTC Administrator Monty Mofnes says in addition to the delinquent rent payments, Agfazen President Peter Nicholas did not provide any receipts of real estate taxes or any form of public liability and property damage insurance. Nicholas's delinquent real estate taxes totaled at $4,500.
I told him that he has to make good on the delinquent amount, and how he can do that is accelerate the payments provided he pays substantial deposit, and he agreed but never did that.
Nicholas's legal counsel Randy Cunliffe preferred not to comment as the case is still in litigation. Mofnes says Nicholas is questioning the actual amount of about $10,000 less, but still hasn't made any payments.
He clearly did not denote or provide us information. Neither did he provide us proper documentation as to the rent he paid. And consequently, the burden of proof is his part, his court, to substantiate that claim.
Mofnes says, according to the lease, Nicholas was supposed to pay $3,500 a month, but instead was only paying $1,700, resulting in more than $100,000 in back payments. In order to make the payment, Mofnes advised Nicholas to dispose of nearly 50 acres of his own personal land and use the proceeds to pay for the back payments or deed the property over to CLTC, where it could have been appraised based on value for value. Although he agreed, Nicholas never followed on his word. Additionally, Agfazen has a license enabling them to run it as a flea market, so they didn't need any written approval from the board to rent and sublease the property as they see fit. However, by failing to make payment, Mofnes says Nicholas is ultimately denying income to the beneficiaries of the trust.
When you use any property, whether it be the government or private property, when you utilize that and make money, or just utilizing it, you're encroaching, you're denying income to the owner. Therefore, you must pay.
The board voted to terminate the lease and gave a 90-day notice to vacate the property by September 30. Mofnes says effective July 1st, tenants were notified and should make necessary payments to the Treasurer of Guam, care of CLTC, on the subject lot. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.